nagħmel di. Hey guys, so there are actually a couple of things I need to catch up on. We're currently in Hampi. We went from Munnar in Kerala to come here. We got a 12-hour sleeper bus which went to Bangalore. After arriving at Bangalore, we took a bus for another 6 hours after that 12-hour sleeper bus. And obviously with the waiting time in between, it took us a total of 23 hours. It has been honestly the best place so far in the past month. Today is actually 1 month since we left Malta. It's our last day, unfortunately, over here on Hippie Island. We've been for the past 3 nights, 4 days. We've rented these motorbikes and honestly it's so cool. Then we went to the other side of the river. It's like just a 2-minute boat ride, but it took us an hour because the boat wasn't working, and then we had to go for a mechanic on the other side of the river, get him back. And anyway, we finally arrived. A guy offered us to rent motorbikes, which I'm so thrilled he did.
Dinner on Hippie Island.
Bonjour, Hippie.
If you look on your left, it's beautiful. If you look on your right, it's beautiful. I love Hampi.
What? Monkeys could swim underwater, like amazing.
And we need to go up there.
We read that it's like 600 steps, but the guy we just bought petrol from just told us 1,200. I'm gonna hope it's 600. I will be having to do it barefoot. Sexy feet on display. Update. I don't know how many steps, but we can see the river. And 5002. Like 15 minutes later, and we're at 470 steps. The view is already starting to look amazing, and you can see the river and the other side of Hampi, which we were on the first 2 days. And this is the total number of steps. We have made it. How's the coconut, man? It's ridden. Found anything good, yo? Amazing. We had a hole for a toilet, which I wasn't thrilled about. It took me like 3 days to actually poop, and I must admit that on the third day my dignity wasn't at its greatest. Like, that's how I felt. But yeah, you get used to it, I guess. They cost like, I think, $2.89 for a day. And honestly, if you do come to Hippie Island, first of all, you have to come to Hippie Island. It's amazing. And if you do come to Hippie Island, rent a motorbike. I would suggest they don't ask for license per se, like a motorbike license. They might ask you for like a general license, not the international one, just any car license. They do not give you helmets, so hence my hat. But yeah, I would, if I were you, get maybe a few lessons before coming here, because the roads aren't always straight. There are like some rocky roads, like this one for example. A bit of practice would definitely do you good. I've known travelers, I've met them over here, have fallen on the first day. So if you can get a license or just go for a few lessons, honestly, just to get the hang of the balance or whatever. Before going to Asia, because I knew I'd be renting bikes, my friend who actually is on a bike road trip for 5 months currently, go check him out. His name on YouTube is Pen Creations. Carl Andrew McAuliffe taught me the manual bike. We went for a few lessons. I also had rented mopeds back in Kefalonia 2 years ago or 3 years ago, so yeah, by now I obviously have the hang of it. But yeah, definitely rent motorbikes. I'm really going to miss Hampi, really going to miss it.